Subscribe to Movie Talkies and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Amir, a lot of people in the industry feel that right now you are the most bankable superstar among the three Khans because Shah Rukh has been struggling to get a huge success on box office, and even Salman's last film didn't do well. It was kind of a failure. And with Dangal breaking record at Chinese box office as well, do you also feel that you are the most bankable superstar right now?
See, you have to understand that creative work is, very unpredictable. All of us try our best. Sometimes we succeed in what we are trying to do, sometimes we don't. So I don't think कि एक फिल्म दो फिल्म से किसी की stardom ऐसे affect होती है. I think that Salman and Shah Rukh are both huge stars. They're mega stars. And I myself am a fan of their work. And I don't really compare like this. I think each one is unique, each one is different. Yeah.
आप जैसे दिवाली पे आ रहे हैं, सलमान क्रिसमस पे आ रहे हैं
जी।
शाहरुख जो है वो इंडिपेंडेंस डे के आसपास आ रहे हैं अपनी फिल्मों को लेके, तो तारीखों की अदला बदली को लेके या फिल्म की रिलीज डेट मतलब क्लैश ना हो दो फिल्मों को लेके, इनको लेकर के कितने फ्लेक्सिबल हुए हैं स्टार्स?
एक्चुअली मुझे बाकी का तो मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, मेरे लिए कोई डेट फिक्स नहीं होती. जब हमारी फिल्म तैयार हो जाती है, हमको लगता है कि हाँ अब हम तैयार हैं, तो फिर हम डेट्स का कैलेंडर देखते हैं और जल्दी से जल्दी आने की कोशिश करते हैं. एक अच्छे पीरियड में आने की कोशिश करते हैं. दिवाली या क्रिसमस, ये इंडिपेंडेंस डे, जो छुट्टियों का दौर होता है वो या जो गर्मियों की छुट्टी होती हैं, तो हॉलीडेज इज़ अ गुड पीरियड. तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम एक अच्छा पीरियड चुनें रिलीज़ के लिए, बस.
The critics were like really good. Yeah, I was expecting -3 and -4. They've given 1.5 apparently. Yeah, so I'm very pleased with that. Reports भाई को रोता हुआ नहीं देख सकते. And तो ऐसे क्या रोते हुए देख के हंस रहे हैं? जैसे नहीं सब रो रहे हैं, तो ऐसे don't worry about this then. So what happens in a film like this? ईद रिलीज है, so वो जो एक आते रहा है, एक के चिल्लर फेंकेंगे, नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, वो कोई और फिल्म देखने को गए हैं और उनको कोई और फिल्म देखने को मिल गई है. So now this film needs to be seen not with लौंडे लपाड़ेस, not with buddies, कि आओ चलो उधम मचाते हैं, क्योंकि वो उधम मचा नहीं पाएंगे इस फिल्म के अंदर. इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल फिल्म. वो कितना भी सख्त कठोर दिल का आदमी होगा, इमोशनलेस होगा या दिखाता नहीं होगा, वो इस पिक्चर में उसकी आंख तो भरी आएगी. So this is that kind of film that you need to take your families, your parents, dada, dadi, abbu, ammi, mummy, daddy, mata, pita, nana, nani, all of these. मतलब के they need to go in the 25 का lot, क्योंकि वो 20 रुपए हमारे पास आ जाएंगे.
Sir, just adding to that, not only the critics, we have been to the theatres across the city this morning, and the audiences are giving a mixed review for Tube Light.
Yes.
Perhaps they were expecting the Bajrangi Bhaijaan magic.
They were expecting a different film. That's why I said, expecting a different kind of film. But if you, I've got so many text messages, and so many people have told me that, when we saw you brothers dancing, we had tears on the song. तो ऐसे इसमें रोने की क्या बात है भाई? दो भाई नाच रहे हैं, हैप्पी गाना है वो. What is that song? नाच मेरी जान. Then they say, that shot when, your brother Sohail is going and you hug him and cry in that Tinka Tinka song. We got emotional. So we had prepared the audience for a beautiful, simple, emotional film about bhais, about brothers, That is what we prepared them for.
But since we're talking about the mixed reviews and the audience...
Every film will have mixed reviews. Every film will have mixed reviews.
So is there a sense of failure that might just bother...
What?
Is there a sense of failure that might just bother? Are you scared of it or something?
What?
To an extent.
Does it like look bother?
All right, thank you.
I'm not bothered. I'm sure it's going to do okay. It's going to get us a lot of respect.
Friends, we are here for the Being Human and PVR Cinemas
You get the
initiative.
respect,
So, can you please stick to
you
that?
get the footfalls.
Salman, when we went to the channel for the reaction of your film, they were missing you and Shah Rukh, like, जो जोड़ी थी
But he was just for one guest appearance, बाबा. हाँ, पूरी पिक्चर में नहीं थे वो. हाँ. अभी तो ऐसी कोई प्लानिंग है नहीं. अगर आप कहते हैं तो कर लेते हैं. Do I even need to answer this one?
Please stick to the
I think Sunil was a very
program that
talented
we
man.
are all are here for.
So I've even said this somewhere that when Sohail and me were watching him, I thought I was the most incompetent actor there was. The way he played that Mr. Bachchan's role and the way he played that doctor, I think it was phenomenal. And then he's played Gutti. So he doesn't try and do comedy, he just plays character. You know, he's the only one, comedian who's not trying to do comedy. He's just playing characters and he's making you laugh. And he's serious. He's not laughing. He's not joking. He's just playing one character. And even when you see, Sunil as well, he doesn't look like a comedian. People have very funny faces and they're sweet and they're cute and they make you laugh. This guy, he's a serious-looking guy. Yeah.
So Salman has decided to compensate distributors for tube light loss. So as a producer, do you believe in that? Do you
अरे पहले
think,
फिल्म तो रिलीज होने दे यार. प्रॉफिट लॉस के बारे में बात कर रही है.
but as a producer, do you think that that's unfair, or do you think that that should be done?
It's been going on since years. My grandfather was a producer from 1950. And I think that whole home style of making films where everybody should make money, not just the producer, the distributor, the exhibitor. So it's a very healthy exercise, when somebody loses money on something where you have kind of made money on. It's very good to compensate. It's a healthy exercise. But like I said, it's from person to person, from film to film. But yes, I've been hearing this from my grandfather's time. When his films like Mera Naam Joker, they all didn't work and distributors had heavy losses. So when he released his film after that, Bobby, he gave more of a percentage to the distributors and exhibitors. So there was a sense of balance in it. So it's a very healthy exercise. Personally, yes, if I had losses and if I was making money out of it, yes, I would definitely do it.
हाँ यार, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी यार. मैंने एक्चुअली 1.5 बार देखी. मैंने 1.5 बार देखी फिल्म यार. मैंने पहला पूरी फिल्म देखी, फिर उसके बाद अगेन द फर्स्ट हाफ आई सॉ इट एट 4 in the morning. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी.
Salman praised you a lot. He just said on a one call actually you agreed to do the role actually. Like was thanking you for it.
कोई मना ही नहीं कर सकता. कौन मना कर सकता है उसको? किसकी हिम्मत है?
सर, आपको काफी पसंद किया गया ट्यूबलाइट में, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
थैंक यू वेरी मच. मेरे दोस्त हैं सब, कबीर, सलमान. एक्चुअली उस टीम में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मैं बहुत पुराना पहले से जानता हूँ. एक्चुअली फिल्मों से पहले से जानता हूँ. कबीर, उनकी वाइफ, उन सबको. सो वो मेरा आई थिंक इट वॉज माई ड्यूटी टू डू दैट. एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि मैंने ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि एक सीन के लिए फिल्म में आओ जैसे ए दिल है मुश्किल या ट्यूबलाइट में, तो इतना कहानी वगैरह का इल्म नहीं होता. बट आई थिंक मैंने भी देखा अपने आप को, तो मैं ठीक ठाक किया, तो मुझे खुशी है कि ठीक ठाक हो गया.
कबीर ने अपनी बातचीत में कहा कि वो आपके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं और ये उनकी बहुत हमेशा से ख्वाहिश रही थी कि आपके साथ काम करें, लेकिन अब आगे अगर इसकी कोई कहानी मिले, आपके मन में कबीर के साथ काम करने की इच्छा?
मैंने जैसे कहा, कबीर बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं यार. मैंने उनकी स्कूल में जो वो प्लेस करते थे, हाँ
फिल्म करेंगे उनके साथ
इंशाल्लाह यार. मतलब ये सब दोस्त हैं, हम बहुत कहानियाँ सुनते हैं, सालों से सुनते हैं उनके साथ. और जब भी कोई चीज़ ऐसी लगेगी जो हम साथ मिलकर कर सकते हैं तो 100%. अभी कोई ऐसी ऑन द एनविल कोई चीज़ नहीं.